5 seconds. IR as an organization cannot progress on the path of prosperity unless that path is digitally illuminated. This year an application of track management system was launched. With these activities of tracks inspection, monitoring and maintenance have thus been switched over to an IT platform and automatic alerts in the form of SMS and emails are being generated. Inventory management module of TMS has resulted in inventory reduction by 27,000 MT, resulting in saving of rupees 64 crore and scrap identification of 22,000 MT, equivalent to rupees 53 crore. During 2016-17, this system will be implemented on entire IR. IR has developed an application for maintaining centralized land data and records of all land holdings over IR have been digitalized. As I move on to illustrate the new initiatives, let me take a step back. One of the thrust areas of last year's budget was giving passengers better services and making railway journeys enjoyable. We will continue to build on this momentum and strive hard to ensure satisfaction of each of the 7 billion passengers that ride IRS network annually. This government truly believes that the fate of India would not change unless the lives of the common man or woman improve. Not only is he or she the center point of our policy making, but is ubiquitous in our public discourse and in our ideology. We propose to introduce the Antyodaya Express, a long distance, fully unreserved, super fast train service for the common man to be operated on dense routes. We will also add two for Deen Dayal coaches in some long distance trains for unreserved travel to enhance our carrying capacity for the masses. These coaches will also have facility for portable drinking water and a high number of mobile charging points. I am announcing 3 select train service: Humsafar, Tejas and Uday. Humsafar and Tejas will ensure cost recovery by way of tariff and non-tariff measures. Humsafar will be fully air conditioned third AC service with an optional service for meals. Tejas, on the other hand, will showcase the future of train travel in India. Operating at speeds of 130 km per hour and above, it will offer on-board service such as entertainment, local cuisine, Wi-Fi, etc. through one service provider for ensuring accountability and improved customer satisfaction. To continue the effort of minimizing waiting time for passengers at booking windows, we intend to commence sale of tickets through hand-held terminals for the benefit of the suburban and short distance travelers. This would enable us to deploy multiple points of sale with minimal infrastructure requirement.